Hi ladies and gents, crypto traders, my name is Jan-Robert Schutte of Crypto Academy, and today I would like to take you to the crypto trade of the week, or the altcoin of the day, and that is Golem. And Golem has a ticker symbol GNT. It is ranked number 93, so it's just shy in the top 100. It is quoted in dollars, 0.097. So below 10 cents, and it has a market cap of about $96.7 million. And if you take a look at the chart, there we see that Golem has been under pressure recently, last few days. It reached a high of 14 cents, now back towards 10 cents more or less. And if you take a look at the weekly chart, there we see that back in 2018 it has been traded much higher, on a much higher level, and there was even a spike of $1. Now it's more than 90% lower, and below that level of the high of 2019, 2017, 2018. And if you take a look at the 240 minutes, we see of course some sell-off and some pressure. But if we take a look at the chart, there we see the buy signal has been generated around 8 cents back in early November. And now 1 week later, after touching a high of 15 cents, 14 cents, it's trading around 10 cents. And I would like to pick this coin up for the altcoin portfolio, the swing trading portfolio. If you take a look at the daily chart, there's a solid support level around 7 cents, so that will be my cutoff definitely, and that means that sell-off of 30% I have to bear. Anyway, if we take a look at the downside risk of 3 cents, then at least we have to go to 13 or 14 cents as 1-to-1 ratio, but it implies an increase of 30 cents, 30%. But that is not the first or the last goal. The goal is $20. That means that we can even find some potential for 100% increase of price, and maybe in the future we can take a look for more price increase. But let's take a look at the market and the website. The website, if I take a look at new tab, you can go to golem.network for more information, and you can see that some videos are there, and you can take a look at the developers, downloads, the team, careers, docs, and GitHub. GitHub, you can find the specs, for instance. Anyway, if you would like to take a look for more information and receive the free crypto trade of the week, feel free to go to cryptoacademy.nl and subscribe to our subscription list. And of course, we guarantee you that we will not sell your data. And if you would like to be top and first to receive the crypto trades of us, feel free to take a free trial for 1 month. And here you can see the subscriptions ranging from 9.97 euros per month. That is a buy and hodl strategy, passive income. The dollar cost average portfolio as well, that is including a hodl portfolio for 27 euros per month, and the swing trading portfolio is the best choice, and that is $47 per month, including VAT. And there you get the crypto swing trading portfolio, the daily crypto trading signals. You also get the hodl and DCA portfolios as well. Anyway, if you would like to go to our website, of course, feel free to join us. And if you have some questions, you can send an email to info@cryptoacademy.nl. I wish you a very pleasant evening. Hasta la vista. Ciao.